camera on, but let's check it out.
2018. All right, so here's the front living room. There is a grand design that is almost identical to this. The grand design does not have a window at the front, so that is a benefit to have a window with the TV down.
TV pops up.
Yeah, that's a 40-inch Furrion fireplace.
Nice storage on either side.
Nice storage. Now, these two end up being fold-out beds, but again, a thing in the floor. Don't like it. I don't care for the color of this furniture, but it's nice and well lit up here.
Yeah.
This is nice.
It is fairly big. I mean, because you got the two slides out, the sofas are in the slides out, so you have almost the entire width of the RV for space.
Now, because we're going to be working out of our rig and doing homeschool, I might even want to get rid of one of the couches and put a desk. I mean, we could easily put the desk we own at home right there.
That would fit
yeah.
the desk real nice. And you take away, but you got the two side couches are far enough to be able to see the TV.
So this is a 37 foot. This would get us into state parks.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, there's a little bit of a wine rack above the microphone. The microwave.
So if you put a desk right here, that would be really cool.
Yeah, you could easily take these out and put a desk.
Next to it. Take this out.
Nice sink. That was definitely only for an essential oils rack. All right.
Yeah.
Nice space. Power in the corner.
Yeah, this isn't bad.
A little bit of an island.
Designed. It's not huge, but it's nicely designed.
That table comes out, so you get seating for 4.
The flow is nice, and you have extra.
You do have a counter that comes up. Okay.
Extra counter there.
I like this because of the hutch over here. I mean, that's kind of big. Yeah.
It's got a nice, good size Samsung refrigerator.
And we're wanting a residential refrigerator.
That's a wine rack up there. You see that?
And there's a ceiling fan here.
Yep.
Okay, open this up.
This is the pantry. Here, that's huge.
That is huge.
That's huge. Wow.
Yeah.
For RV, that's huge.
I'm looking for a washer dryer. There's not a washer dryer option there.
Well,
okay.
But you know what? If you took the shelving out, there's your washer and dryer right there.
No, I know, but there's no hookup in there.
Right. Sure.
Okay. So then we go back here. This got a lot of nice light in here. This is not bad when it comes to light.
It's good natural light.
Okay, so now show me this door.
Okay. Door goes like this.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's neat and interesting.
Yeah.
So, toilet, the shower is.
I do like the shower with glass doors versus a shower curtain.
Yeah, and look how, I mean, even if you're
how
6.
tall are you? 5 feet?
I'm 5'9". I'm 5'9", thank you very much.
5'9".
So, 6 foot. This is 6 foot. So if you're 6 foot or 6'2", dude, you got plenty of room.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's fairly big.
This is a solid surface, so that's not an undermount sink. It's solid surface all the way.
Yeah, it's molded in.
Nice. So right here,
real nice
in the way is is an exterior door
with the stairs.
and stairs, which are the step above stairs. Those are nice.
But your stairs would be out and down when you're parked.
Okay, yeah.
And they would stay out and down. So
yeah. Okay. Let's see.
Oh, this isn't too bad.
No, this is. Oh, it's bouncy. So, well, it's probably not got the. It doesn't have the supports down.
Yeah, they're probably not down.
This is quite a bit of storage.
Wow. Yeah, and it goes all the way through, even behind the TV.
Oh wait, that's interesting.
It goes all the way through. So that's your hanging closet.
But you're still limited by what you can hang right there. But that is interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. There's no washer and dryer in this.
Not sure why they put.
There's no washer and dryer hookups here.
But there's a lot of.
I will say, out of all of them I've looked at, Brian, this has got a lot of floor space, but huge window out the back. So without a patio in this one, you at least still get to look at something. But there's no washer dryer option here. No washer dryer option. What do you think of this one? Give us your take. There's your teenager right there. Go ahead.
I don't know.
I don't care for it. short, and there's no washer dryer, and there's no bedroom for you, but would you want to have a bedroom with a couch as your bedroom? No.
Mommy's idea is to take this out and put a desk right here.
Yeah.
I mean, we've been through models like this.
So this is the 3731 front living room. FL means front living room. This is a 2018. And right now, in October of 2019, this is going for right around $55,000. So
I mean, honestly, we could make this work.
We could make it work.
We could make this work.
There's no washer and dryer. For long term, it wouldn't work. It would work for living.
We'd always
it would
have
work
to find
for living in an RV full time in our local area. But I still would rather look at a bunkhouse.
But if we park near a river, we could just beat the clothes out on the rocks, you know.
You guys, I don't know where that comes from. All right. If you like this video, go check out the other videos I have here of doing RV tours. We are taking advantage of a beautiful day and checking out as many RVs as we can. And if you have any questions, comment below and I will answer them for you. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos.